Uboatworx Nemo. Ever dreamed of diving deep into the ocean in your own mini submarine? The Uboatworx Nemo makes this possible. Compact yet powerful, Nemo can dive up to 100 meters deep, offering 360-degree views from its transparent bubble-like cockpit. Ideal for yacht owners or adventurous explorers, Nemo is operated with a simple joystick, making it user-friendly for beginners. Plus, it's lightweight, about the weight of a family car, so it can be launched from various platforms. Nemo combines cutting-edge technology with luxury, offering a safe, comfortable underwater adventure. Whether you're curious about marine life or seeking an unforgettable thrill, the Nemo is your ticket to the deep sea. Griffon Hoverwork 12,000 TD. The Griffon Hoverwork 12,000 TD is a versatile hovercraft designed for high-speed, efficient travel over land, water, and challenging terrain. Imagine a vessel that effortlessly glides over mudflats, marshlands, and even icy surfaces, thanks to its unique air cushion technology. The 12,000 TD can carry up to 65 passengers or heavy loads, making it perfect for rescue missions, passenger transport, and military operations. Built with durability in mind, it's powered by twin diesel engines, giving it a strong lift and forward thrust. Operating across diverse landscapes and weather, the 12,000 TD provides an effective solution where boats, helicopters, and other vehicles would struggle, demonstrating why hovercraft technology is so innovative. Jet Shark Q. Meet the Jet Shark Q, a watercraft that brings underwater adventure to the surface. This high-speed, semi-submersible marvel offers a unique blend of performance and thrill. Imagine gliding over the waves with the agility of a jet ski, then diving beneath them for an exhilarating view underwater. The Jet Shark Q isn't a submarine, but it gives a taste of that underwater feel with a transparent cockpit that keeps you safely enclosed while still providing stunning views. Whether you're an adrenaline person in active use or a nature lover, the Jet Shark Q offers a rare mix of excitement and tranquility. Ready to dive in and explore marine life like never before? Seakart 335. Ever dreamed of cruising on the waves in a blend of powerboat and jet ski? Enter Seakart 335. This compact, sporty watercraft combines speed, agility, and safety for a unique ocean adventure. The Seakart 335's sleek design and ergonomic seating make it perfect for adrenaline seekers and families alike, offering an easy-to-control ride with speeds up to 45 knots. Unlike traditional jet skis, it provides more stability, so you can enjoy waves with confidence. Whether you're exploring coves, island hopping, or simply gliding across the open sea, the Seakart 335 promises a thrilling experience with unmatched maneuverability. Ready to add some excitement to your beach days? Gibbs Quadski. Imagine having a vehicle that moves smoothly from land to water in seconds. That's the Gibbs Quadski. This unique machine blends the power of an ATV with the excitement of a jet ski, allowing you to transition seamlessly from trail to lake with just the press of a button. Equipped with a BMW engine, the Quadski can reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour on both surfaces, making it a thrill-seeker's dream. Picture yourself racing down rugged paths, then gliding directly into open water without stopping. It's an adventure-ready ride that combines the best of both worlds for an unforgettable, amphibious experience. Schiller Water Bike. Imagine gliding across a lake on a bike. Not just any bike, but a Schiller water bike. This innovative watercraft lets you pedal on water. Built with a high-performance frame and pontoons for stability, the Schiller water bike combines cycling with water sports. With smooth steering and a responsive design, it's easy to maneuver, making it great for thrill seekers and casual riders alike. It's powered by your legs, so there's no motor noise, just you and the rhythm of the water. Whether you're exploring calm lakes or racing friends, the Schiller water bike turns any waterway into your personal playground. Ready to ride the waves? Fliteboard eFoil. The Fliteboard eFoil is revolutionizing water sports in the USA with its cutting-edge technology and exhilarating experience. This electric hydrofoil surfboard allows riders to glide effortlessly above the water, thanks to its powerful electric motor and advanced hydrofoil design. With speeds reaching up to 28 miles per hour, the Fliteboard offers an adrenaline-pumping ride while maintaining stability and control. Its user-friendly interface and customizable settings make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned riders. The eFoil's lightweight construction and rechargeable battery ensure a convenient and eco-friendly experience. Whether you're cruising along the coast or tackling waves, The Fliteboard eFoil redefines the thrill of water sports. Candela P-12. Have you ever dreamed of cruising effortlessly across the water? Meet the Candela P-12, an electric boat that's redefining the way we think about maritime travel. With its sleek design and innovative hydrofoils, it glides above the waves, minimizing drag and maximizing efficiency. Imagine a boat that can travel 60 nautical miles on a single charge. How incredible is that? But it's not just about performance. The P-12 offers a spacious, luxurious interior that makes every journey a joy. Ready to leave fossil fuels behind and embrace the future of eco-friendly boating? The Candela P-12 is your ticket to a cleaner, quieter adventure on the water. DeepFlight Personal Submarine. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the mysterious depths of the ocean? With the DeepFlight Personal Submarine, that dream is within reach. Picture yourself submerged in crystal-clear waters, observing schools of colorful fish and intricate coral formations up close. This innovative submarine is designed for adventure enthusiasts, offering a user-friendly experience that makes it accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a diving expert to navigate it. Just hop in and start your underwater journey. Whether you're passionate about marine life or simply seeking a thrilling experience, the DeepFlight submarine opens the door to a world of aquatic wonders waiting to be discovered. Dive in and let the adventure begin. Platypus Craft Submarine. The Platypus Craft Submarine is a remarkable fusion of creativity and engineering, designed to inspire young adventurers. Shaped like a unique platypus, this submarine captures the imagination while providing a safe and exciting underwater experience. With vibrant colors and playful features, it invites children to explore the ocean's mysteries. The submarine is equipped with interactive elements, encouraging hands-on learning about marine life and the importance of ocean conservation. As children dive into their underwater quests, they not only enjoy thrilling adventures but also develop a sense of responsibility for the environment. The Platypus Craft Submarine is more than a toy. It's a gateway to endless exploration and discovery. Diver Propulsion Craft. Diver propulsion craft are sleek underwater vehicles that help divers explore the deep sea with ease and speed. Imagine a small, submarine-like scooter designed to zip through water. That's a DPC. These are ideal for divers wanting to cover large underwater areas or simply make dives less exhausting. Used by both recreational and professional divers, DPCs offer an incredible experience by letting divers conserve energy while reaching greater depths. They're also popular with photographers and marine scientists who need to move quickly through habitats. Wouldn't it be amazing to glide effortlessly through underwater landscapes, discovering vibrant coral reefs and mysterious shipwrecks with a DPC by your side? Yamaha WaveRunner FX Cruiser SVHO. The Yamaha WaveRunner FX Cruiser SVHO is a thrilling mix of power, comfort, and innovation on water. With a supercharged 1.8-liter SVHO engine, it gives you a strong burst of speed that's perfect for wave hopping and cruising alike. The FX Cruiser's ergonomics are all about comfort. Its 3-person seating and step-up design let you ride in style, whether you're alone or with friends. Plus, with Yamaha's ride system, maneuvering is a breeze, making tight turns and reverse docking feel effortless. Packed with features like an LCD touchscreen and Bluetooth speakers, it's more than just a jet ski, it's an adventure waiting to happen.